Okay, so amortization using the declining balance method, we're going to demonstrate it. Now, with the chart on the next page, but the idea is each month the portion of the payment that goes towards interest goes down, and as a result, the portion of the payment that goes towards principal goes up. We'll see this in our 12-month example, table 7.3. So we've got $1,000 loan. It's actually 1.5% per month. That's 18% APR. The monthly payment is $91.68. $15 is interest in the first period, and $76.68 is principal. And as we go down through the 12 months, the outstanding balance will decline, the interest will decline, and the amount applied to principal will decline to the point that where in the last period, the principal amount pays, or the principal applied equals the outstanding balance, and the ending balance is zero. So add-on interest. So if add-on interest is one of the sleazy or unscrupulous methods of lending, the add-on interest, the interest rate is the amount borrowed times the time in year, the rate times. So I equals P times R times T, which is principal times rate times time in years. So the interest is added to the principal, and then you divide by the number of payments to arrive at that payment. There are examples under modules in Excel. For a material for exam 2. So there are old examples, and there will be one using Excel that I will post. So add-on interest, the loan may have a prepayment penalty. Use Rule 78, for example, or sum of the digits, the method for calculating repayment penalties on add-on loans. So basically what happens when you, on typically either one of these types of loans, you get an add-on loan, you get little or no credit for what you've paid when you pay off the mortgage. So discount method is similar, except for interest is calculated in the same way as the add-on, but it's subtracted. So but the interest is subtracted from the amount borrowed. So, for example, if you had a $5,000 loan and there was $1,000 interest, you would only receive $4,000. So, as a result, the interest is prepaid. So, concept check 7.5. So, how is interest calculated on a loan that uses declining balance method? The APR is divided by the number of payments per year and multiplied by the outstanding loan balance. How is the interest calculated on a consumer loan that uses the add-on method? It's the I equals P times R times T. Interest is principal times rate times time, and that time in years. Interest is added to the loan amount. The payment is equal to the principal plus interest divided by the total number of payments. The stated rate is actually greater than the sorry, that's incorrect. Stated rate is less than the stated rate is greater than the APR. That's correct. So what is the effective rule 78 when a borrower repays an add-on method loan early? No reduction in interest as a result of prepayment. How is interest calculated on a consumer loan that uses discount method? Again, its interest is equal to principal times rate times time, but interest is subtracted from the loan amount. True loan amount is principal minus interest. Payment equals principal divided by total number of payment. The stated rate is significantly greater than the APR.